Ba, besh?
The best, nagkaroon ako red alert ako today ha, wag ka.
Eh, well, ako'y gano'n na. Papaganon
Akala
na.
ko akala ko nga maaano ako,
Maaano ka?
like magjo-jaundice
Oh,
kasi
kasi kasi
kasi kasi lagi nga siya nadidiligan.
eh, di mabuting-mabuti.
Ano ba yan, napapagod ako. Kakapagod
Sabi ko sa'yo
Marshall.
mag-starfish ka lang, eh, starfish lang.
Besh, masarap, hindi puwede.
Eh, binibigyan mo kasi masyado.
Ay,
Ah,
siya. Oy, masarap kasi ha, masarap siya ngayon. Iba talaga 'pag gusto mo ang lalaki.
totoo.
Ang arte mo, ang haba ng hair mo.
Dilig na dilig din ako this week. Dilig na dilig. Bakit
Talaga
ba?
totoo.
Oh
Kasi
my God!
nabasa
Yung mga makikinig nito, sabi nila siguro, "Oh my gosh, like, is that gonna be
ang
my therapist?" Be like, "Yeah, and this is how the sessions will go."
oh my gosh, how is your marathon?
Okay, so interestingly, the race photos just went up. Okay, I got
Just
the
today.
race photos just now.
Oh my God. Kay, mahirap ba siya? Besh naman. Like, I understand na mahirap. Tinatanong ko lang kasi I wanna do it next year.
Okay lang ba? Kahit naman ano, yung bodybuilding ba mahirap?
Oo naman.
Oh,
Pero
so yung
hindi
tanong mo na, oh, mahirap ba yung half
eh,
marathon? Okay, sa mga nakikinig, ang marathon ay 42 kilometers. Okay, besh?
yun nga.
Natatakbuhin mo.
I
Yung half
know.
marathon yung ginawa ko, which is
I
21
know.
21 kilometers.
But still, that's a lot.
And I was gonna
Like,
say 21 kilometers lang compared dun sa mga nag-full marathon na 42 kilometers. Oh my God, Besh. Besh, that was my very first half marathon. And let me just tell you, okay, I will never do a full marathon. Kasi yung time ko, so I was like in the last half. Da- Kasi naman, Besh, yung sa ranking, ang gusto ko lang naman talaga, ma-complete, ma-finish
yeah.
yung race,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Ay,
yeah.
ang ganda nung race photos ko dun sa finish line kasi ginalingan ko din, eh. Rumampa ako dun. Oo, parang yung lakad sa sa stage.
Oh, 'di ba?
Oh,
Bakit gagawin mo, 'di ba? "'Di galingan
oh,
ko na."
gagalingan ko na, eh, may camera, eh. You know me with
Oh,
cameras.
kaya nga. Okay, so sumakit ba yung legs mo? Like nanginig ka ba? Like hihimatayin ka ba? Like what is like
Okay,
anong
okay.
feeling?
Kasi dahil mabagal ako,
No, I will be
ko,
like that.
na-carry ko. Like, naka-survive naman ako. Para lang nga siyang para kong binayaran yung weekend long run ko. So, I've been doing long runs since May. Siguro ako nagseryoso. Kasi nga dahil yung Spartan race ko nga.
Yeah,
May
yeah,
Spartan
yeah, yeah.
race pa ako eh, aside from the half marathon.
Yeah.
So, parehas sila ng distance. Yung Spartan Beast is 21 kilometers. And then the half marathon is 21 kilometers. But my time, yung Spartan race ko was 5 hours, 5.5 hours siguro. Kasi nga may obstacles. May 30 obstacles dun sa 21 kilometers. Na kung ano-anong may barbed wire and like may kakargahin ka, na kung ano-ano.
Mabigat.
Wings naman. Tumatakbo ka with the thing.
I know, but how heavy? Diyos ko, baka mahimatayin ako.
Hindi ko
No,
alam
but
kung Hindi ko
okay.
alam kasi hindi naka-mark. Hindi naka-mark dun sa
Ah,
sandbags at saka ano ba yun, may drum, eh. May drum na aakyatin mo yung hill, yung iba
Besh, so
tumatakbo.
I know it's hard. So ano yung the obviously carb load
Oh, yeah. So iba
the
ang
night the night before your triathlon or marathon and the morning kasi you need that. You need
you
that
need the
sugar.
carbs, yeah.
You need that
So
glycogen.
nutrition aspect is like
Oo.
my diet was heavy on complex carbs,
Oo.
not and then not so much protein. Kasi you don't need. Okay, so when you want to go fast, you don't want to be bulky. You don't want to be like
Mhm. I know.
parang
Yeah.
Neil.
Oo. No, you don't
Sinin
want
mo si
to.
Neil
Like,
nagmamarathon. Pero I met somebody, nagpa-pop nga siya. I met somebody. Sabi ko, "Why are your arms so nice?" Tapos sabi niya, "Oh yeah, like I work out." Sabi ko, "What kind of workout?" Marathon
oo.
training daw, but he looks like a bodybuilder.
Pero kasi mga CrossFitter, they have I think that's what they're doing, endurance, yung mga barbell,
Yung
just to,
endurance, yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So I feel I have a lot of endurance, Besh, but I'm nervous na kasi I wanna really want to do half, not full ha, half. Yun yung goal ko next year. Kasi
Oh,
hindi ako na magko-compete. I want to do sports like something different now, not to
oo.
look forward. And so payat na ako ngayon, right? So pwede ko na siyang i-carry yung body. Kasi yung malaki
Iba
ka,
yung iba yung 160 pounds ko ngayon and
yeah,
my physique kesa nung 160 when I was prepping for bodybuilding. Iba.
yeah, yeah.
Kasi nung sinasend ko yung pictures, yung video sa inyo nung nag-Georgia tayo nung 2023, 'di ba? Iba
Mm-hmm.
yung korte kasi nag-a-arms ako may arm
Yeah,
day,
yeah,
may
yeah,
leg
yeah, yeah.
day, may ganto,
Yeah,
may
yeah, yeah.
ganyan. Dito sa training na 'to, I did functional training.
Training. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Functional, oo. So,
Yeah.
like hindi
Kasi,
hindi
right,
mabigat yung weights,
dinadala
pero
ka.
nagwe-weights
Yeah.
ako.
Yeah. So right now, this morning I weigh 122, right? So I'm expecting maybe 120. Hopefully
Hang on, give them a context why we're talking about your weight. Give them a context.
oh yeah, nga pala
Kasi
po, ako po magba-bodybuilding. Hindi po ako try ng lose weight just to be payat ha. Mayroon po akong competition in 2 weeks. So
in 2
my
weeks?
goal is to in 2 weeks, yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah,
you have
so
a lot
kasi
of time to cut.
yeah, so I might be 118 pa nga dahil yung tubig, right? Kung
Yeah.
aalis. But anyways, to make the
So
story
for
short,
those that
parang
don't know who Mitch is a personal fitness trainer based in Florida.
hindi po kahit saan. Philippines, Canada,
Yeah,
Florida.
all over the world. Like, please hire
Kahit
her.
saan yung, kahit po sa moon. I-hire
Astronaut
niyo
na
po
nasa
ako.
Mars.
Yung mga alien. No, just kidding.
Elon Musk, please hire my friend Mitch to be your team's personal fitness trainer. And then
Ano nga,
I will
nga
be
pala po,
the clinical therapist for your team. Just saying.
kung sino po yung mga artista yung sa Philippines na gustong shoutout po sa inyo.
Message nyo na, DM nyo na lang po kami.
Kaya, ano
Yung mga
lang
may
po,
mga
kasi nga,
saltik sa utak, please
aba,
DM din.
pero
Mag-
yun nga, besh. So, pagka alam mo ba, like, naglulus ako ng weight pag talaga minix ko yung training ko sa running. Kasi there's no way na yung heart rate ko magwa 120 to 140 to make sure na 120 to 140, yun yung talagang kailangan mo ma-burn, 'di ba? Para maintain mo siya para ma-burn talaga yung fat. Pero anyways, hindi ako puwedeng mag-incline, hindi ako puwedeng eh, kailangan ko talaga tumakbo.
yeah.
Kaya nga
Because I
ngayon,
remember, so si Mitch po, guys, when I did my first bodybuilding competition na hindi naman ako nanalo. Ako naman ay like nagtatry lang naman ako ng different sports just for the experience and not to win.
yeah,
But anyways, so she helped me a lot. I had a coach. But
ay
shout out to
naku,
Mitch. Shout out to my best friend Mitch, who like, oh my god, if it wasn't for her, ay nako.
galit na galit po ako
Galit
sa
na
kanya
galit po
kasi
ako kasi po ang mahal kaya nung bayad sa coach.
I
Tapos
know.
kay Mitch like wala kaya akong binayaran.
No,
Talagang
kasi naman, sabi ko, what in the hell is going on?
what in the hell what in the oh my gosh.
Kasi po yung hinire niya, parang hindi binigyan lang siya ng macro number. Pero sa una, syempre yung first timer ka na magko-compete, pag
Siyempre wala
hindi
man
mo
akong
talaga
alam.
alam, yeah, kung hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, kung ano yung kakainin mo na dapat, Hindi ko
Exactement.
as a coach, hindi talaga ako naniniwala na bigyan mo ng macro number ang client mo. Kailangan ikaw ang mag-prepare ng meal
Exactly.
plan para sa kanila para hindi sila mag-think. Kasi as a
Oo.
competitor, mahirap mag-figure it out kahit sabihin na, "Oh, you just had to scan." Like, what if that person
No.
missing a fat, like let's say 2 grams of fat, there's no way that 2 grams is important. That 2
Talaga
grams
pong
of fat is
kaya
so important.
iba ang respect ko sa bodybuilders. Oh my God! Interestingly, I just met, his name is Arnold. Okay?
Mm,
He's a matanda na siya.
yeah.
He's like old. He works at the airport here in Penticton. Tapos ay talagang pinangalanan ko talaga kasi magko-coffee kami ni Kuya Arnold, ni Lolo Arnold.
Ano
Magko-coffee
siya,
kami.
Filipino?
No, he's not.
Filipino.
No, he's not. He's Caucasian.
Oh, besh, I'm gonna show you
And
something.
and then pinakita niya yung picture niya sa akin nung nagba-bodybuilding siya. Oh my gosh, did you bake?
Yeah.
Ayan ka na naman.
But
Okay.
anyways, besh, pag ikaw nagpunta dito,
Oh,
hindi
ano
tayo
na naman,
magde-date,
bubusugin mo na naman ako.
lalabas tayo.
Hindi mo ako pagluluto. Lalabas pala
Pagluluto
tayo. Akala ko
pagluluto
ipagluluto mo ko. Teka,
no,
mino-move.
pagluluto kit
Wag mong,
pag
teka lang, sandali. Yung video call, move ako ng move nung picture ko. Kasi,
oo.
yung mukha mo eh, like umi-steady ka lang sa isang,
Kasi nga malapit na talaga, kasi magluluto ako,
kasi yung mukha
iwa-warm
mo nung mukha ko.
ah,
Hindi kasi siya kalahati na ganon sa screen.
okey, 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 okey.
Anyways, I don't know how to do, anyways, whatever. It is what it is. If they wanna listen, freaking like, they can listen, okay? Pero wala pong direksyon 'tong podcast na 'to.
No,
Kung
meron naman ha.
ay meron
Ito po
ba?
yung
Okay.
alam niyo po ang direksyon nito, nagpapakatotoo kami.
Ang direksyon po nito ay sa moon. Gusto natin ang moon.
Wala po talagang
Meron ba
direksyon.
merong ano ang meron sa moon this week, besh? Diyos ko, si Callie. So I have a
Oh,
puppy, guys. He is 4 months old. He's a golden retriever, 4 months old. Anyways, this week, besh, again, what is with the moon? Hindi naman full moon. Gibbous moon
why?
ata or waxing moon.
What's
Abay,
going on?
like, he has been having the shits. He's been having explosive diarrhea every 30 minutes. Since Monday,
Oh my
guys,
God.
Friday na po. Friday na po ngayon. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days na po siyang may diarrhea.
Oh
At
my God.
natakot ako kasi akala ko parvo.
Hmm,
Kasi, it's very like, it really harms the puppies, yung parvo.
yeah,
So, he has
yeah.
shots, pero hindi pa siya, it takes up to 2 years old sila to be completely ano, like, protected from parvo with all the ano, vaccines. Eh, yun ang fresh. Eh, yung tae niya may sipon, you know?
Ay, did
Kakaloka.
did you make him eat maybe pumpkin or something?
So, this is what I did.
Oh.
I fed him a piece of fried chicken.
Ay,
Piece!
naku.
Costed me $700 to take him to the emergency hospital. It took me an hour drive from Penticton to Kelowna. Sus Ginoo,
Bet, he's
$700.
he's still a baby, alam mo 'yun, 'di ba?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Sensitive, mayaman ng ano ha, stomach mayaman ang
Hindi ko
stomach.
alam. Hang on a second. Kasi si Kurt, you know, we had him when he was 8 weeks. And
Oo.
kung ano-ano lang pinapakain namin, he was fine.
But
Tapos
Kali,
tapos si Callie, na-remind ako nung sabi ko kay Julius, "Oh, like ano na, magto-12 hours na nagda-diarrhea siya, ha." Tapos sabi ko, "Yung diarrhea niya ibang
oh,
levels na."
yeah,
Kasi it reminded me of like when Kurt, so we had an 11-year-old senior dog na golden
yeah.
retriever din na na-diagnose ng stomach cancer. 'Di ba si Kurt? Yeah. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
reminded me yung poop niya since na-diagnose siya. Na
My
like
God.
runny, na hindi oo, nakakalungkot. Kaya
Pero
ako
he's okay.
nag-panic kasi like
Wait, but it's okay. Callie's fine.
I hope so. He's on meds. He's on meds now na pero yun nga every 30 minutes naman besh wala kaming tulog. Oh my God.
No, no, but right now, is he still doing that?
Yeah, he's still doing that. 4 days na. 4 days with medication na nga. Kasi nga dinala ko na nga sa ospital.
Oh no.
I
Hindi pa
know.
rin ginto.
Hindi pa rin humihinto. Hindi pa rin humihinto. So,
So,
pero may energy siya, hindi siya nagto-throw up. Like talagang diarrhea lang. So sabi naman sa we've been having consultations over the phone na kapag lethargic, kapag may vomiting, kapag yung diarrhea ay bloody, ganyan, like dadalhin ulit sa emergency.
sensitive si Callie, no?
Ay, hindi ko naman alam nga. Parang
Pero,
yung nanay.
uh,
Hindi, besh. Okay. So, my new colleague, Dr. Bentham.
oh, nakita ko nga.
No, he's my doctor. He's my naturopathic doctor. But what I'm
Ah,
trying to say is, may food sensitivity, may food sensitivities talaga ako na confirm. Kaya,
so
expensive din
you,
yung tummy ko.
so you have so did you go for checkup for allergy?
Oo. He took blood work.
Okay, so what is your
Pin-
allergy na hindi mo alam?
Na hindi ko alam,
Oo.
almonds. Almonds, whey
Shots?
protein. Mabalik tayo dun sa yung personal trainer ko nung nag-hire ako ng 2 male coaches, yun
Yeah.
ang mga pinapakain nila sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, "Ba't hindi ako lose ng weight? Ba't ako namamaga?" Besh, kaya kami nung doktor, si Dr. Bentham, we're gonna talk about perimenopause and menopause nga. Kasi yung mga hormonal
Yeah.
changes
Yeah.
na nagsa-start when you're 30. When you're 30. Besh, I'm there. And you're
Okay, so
there.
I have also meron din akong doctor, 'di ba sabi ko sa'yo for hormones. Pero hindi ako tinest ng hi babe.
Hi, babe.
Hindi ako
Hi,
hi babe. She's like, "Hi babe."
hi, babe. Can you please take me in like next time? Can I visit there, please?
Okay, so I have 'di ba sabi ko
Wala
sa'yo may
siyang
check
sinabi.
no, tumatawa. He was smiling. Okay, so kasi alam niya no, I told him about our podcast, ito nga sabi ko. So that's why he said like, all I hear is like, and then laughing. Sabi ko, hindi, podcast na Tagalog, but now we're like, pero
Whatever.
anyway, so hindi niya ako chinek ng mga ganun. Yun ang
Oo.
gusto kong malaman. Kasi minsan, nag inflame din ako. Like, that is so interesting, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, marami pa
Kasi,
So confirmed na yung dairy talaga, pero certain cheeses lang.
yeah,
Yung
yeah,
like
yeah.
ultra processed cheese, hindi talaga ako pwede kasi magi-inflame. Pero pwede ako ng mozzarella, parmesan, sim
Mm-mm.
nga talaga. Tapos like galing Italy talaga. Tapos
Well, Neil, he knows that he's allergic to shrimp tsaka mga like shell, right? Pero when he went for check also, he has something na he didn't even know na he's allergic. Pretty
you
much
develop
maraming
allergy
allergy.
kasi over time. Nag-iiba din. Kasi ako, besh, would you believe na sa Philippines, hindi naman ako allergic sa latex? Pero pagdating
Mm.
dito sa Canada, naging allergic ako sa latex
Now,
and dust bunnies. So I cannot be around alikabok.
Besh, wait for a second. Speaking of alikabok,
Oh,
what do you call it, sa Thompson,
oh,
when that whatever that what do you call it, that
wildfire.
happened,
Ay,
ewan ko ba
yung
nagkaroon ako ng mga skin
tuldok-tuldok.
like parang dead, like yung mga bug bites.
Kaya
It
nga,
was
tuldok-tuldok nga.
it was so
Rashes.
scary. Oh, rashes everywhere. Sabi ko, and then sabi nila ng mga Canadian, oh, maybe you're allergic with those flowers that flying.
Yung
Hindi ko alam
yung
ang tawag dun.
milkweed. Yung milkweed.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Yung ginaganon. Yung ginaganon. Yung ba yung
I think so. I don't know, but
yung mukha,
sabi nila,
yung ganon siya, tapos
yeah, maybe that one. But okay,
parang kung
so
tanga. Ano ba yung
you know what's interesting is
two
they gave
words,
me
English? How many syllables?
uh one. No, wait. So bigyan nila ako ng ano, ng bear oil.
Ah, bear grease. Bear grease.
Bear grease.
Teka,
Nung nilagay ko siya, nawala nga.
effective. Yeah.
Oo. Tsaka ang daming gamit sa bear grease, ha?
Sobra. Sobra. Kaya mag-hunt na tayo ng bear. Charot.
Ibenta na yan.
Hoy,
Maging
hindi nga.
hunter na.
Kasi when they took me in, so I work, I worked with indigenous communities dito sa
Yeah, yeah,
Manitoba. Yeah.
yeah.
Yung bear grease is like a lot it has a lot of like protective and medicinal medicinal use.
Have you tried bear meat?
Hindi. Bison pa lang. Bison pa lang yung pinaka at
Oh
saka
my God.
elk.
So I had bear meat.
And
Ask me kung anong lasa.
anong lasa?
Parang grease. It's
Alam mo yung nasa
tender.
ilalim ng grill, ganon? Yung parang grease na tumulo sa ilalim ng grill.
So yung karne niya tastes like steak pero ang oily, besh. And you know what
Gamey siguro. Yun ang tawag dun sa lasa na yun, gamey. It's too lean.
So I think I air fry it, and the first thing is like parang ginawa kong beef steak. You know what I mean? Kasi sabi ko, oh, this is red meat. Huh?
Is it Helene?
Yeah.
Oh, that was Irish. Hi, Helene.
Hi,
What's
baby.
doing? Hello. Oh, cover your tits, please. Cover your tits. This will be uploaded. Do you want this cut?
Huh?
Or just the audio?
No,
Recording.
it's okay. Ito po yung lalaki ko sa buhay ko.
Hi, Neil. It's not me. Oh, wait, Neil. Hang on. Oh, he
no,
did.
it's-
Okay. Okay, Hero, come here. You gotta say hi. You gotta. Oh God.
How big he is now.
Hello.
Oh my God! Look at this big guy.
Oh my.
What's
You're
up,
Neil.
partner?
Huh.
How you doing?
Played Switch, right?
Yeah, and the Mario.
And Mario. I know.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, he remembers. God, he got big.
oh, he's so big. And then we have hey, Kelly. Oh no, they're gone. Oh, Kelly, come.
Oh, what is that? Is that a lab?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Golden Retriever.
golden retriever. Yeah.
Yeah. And I was just telling Mitch how expensive he is this week. Right?
Oh yeah, they are, but very, very, very good dogs.
Well, I
Very-
know. Oh, he's so well behaved.
Yeah, smart. One of the smartest dogs there are.
Oh, totally. Because
Yeah.
trainer is me. Just kidding. Anyways, nice seeing you. Later.
Okay, so Besh, yun
Besh,
na.
wait, pause. I will pause.
Mag-usap na lang ulit tayo. Kailan mo sabihin mo sa akin ang date? Kailan ka ba pupunta sa Calgary?
Sa ano, I'll be in Calgary ng Friday.
Oh my God, we need to do podcast.
Mayayanig na naman sila. Oh, yeah. Doon na lang tayo mag-podcast. Okay?
Sige.
Okay.
Yeah,
Love you, Besh.
Sige.
Mwah.
Love you. Good night. Bye.
Bye. Bye.